All right, so we're demolding the the mold that we set up yesterday uh, during our online class of the 6-plate mold with roses on it. So just taking off those clamps and then taking apart this box. Flipping it over. A little bit of the mold material got through the tape there, but overall looks pretty good. So this is taking off this section here. So this was just the styrofoam that the case sat inside, and I also put this non-sulfurous clay around to basically seal the majority of the gaps in there. So it's a real simple setup. And that's that. I have this tape around the edges. And the only spot where we got mold material through was right around the hardware there, and it'll peel right off there. So no damage to the case. The case is looking good. Just a little bit there, and a little right in on the edge. So pretty much nothing in there. So everything's fine. The case is just as good as it was when I put it in to begin with. And it made a nice little mold. So I just need to pull off the remaining bits of the clay that I can then reuse for the next time I make a mold. But I'm interested to see how the first casting comes out. So we're going to do our first casting of this, the rose 6-plate case top. And I'm going to shake up a little ease release. I'm going to do a quick spray. And then I have pre-measured parts A and parts B of smooth cast onyx black urethane resin. I'm going to mix this up. As I'm pouring in here, I'm going to make a little bit of an X pattern, get up into the corners, get all the edges. So first the corners and the edges. This has about a 90-second pot life. So you do have to work quick. And you can demold this in about 20 minutes or so. But that is pretty much that. I just want to make sure I get up into the edges. Draw up the resin into the edges. And then I have just a little bit left that I'm going to discard into this stand that I'm making. So basically, this is a mold to create this stand. Uh, as you make these with discarded bits, it's not as perfect if you cast it all as one piece, but it's a good place to be able to put that little bit of extra and have it turn into something useful when you're done. So that is it. Right now, I will wait and be able to demold that in a little bit. And here we're ready to demold the piece that we just cast. And that is it. So that is first casting of this mold. So nice and clean, and generally wait until the next day, and then you can apply it to a case. So that'll make a real nice result there. Thanks for watching. This is Steve from Modern Day Antique.